God is saying to you today, the things that you are facing may make it hard to trust me. Don't let that happen. When Peter heard the storms while he was walking on water, he started to fall. He knew towards whom he was walking. Still, he started to fall. He focused more on the storm rather than trusting me. When he focused more on the storm made him too hard to trust me. Even in your life, some storms may come. The storms may make you focus more on it rather than trusting me. At that time, don't let the storm make it hard to trust me. By focusing more on the storm, you know that you have a promise, and I am forever faithful towards those promises. So instead of focusing more on the storms, start focusing more on me. Have faith in me. I have a plan for you through what you are facing. Type yes if you believe.